In this video, we'll be replacing the gas cap in this 2007 Mazda CX-9. It's going to be the same process for the first generation from 2007 to 2015. So your gas cap release door is located next to your driver's seat by the floorboard. Go ahead and pull that straight up. You'll release your gas door. Now that we've popped our gas cap open, we can go ahead and open that door and we find our gas cap. Now, your gas cap is going to turn all the way out, and it may or may not have this retainer still attached. It might be gone or it might be still there. But your new gas cap is going to come with a new retainer. So if this has been broken or missing, you may have this piece still here. To remove that, we're going to use a small pair of panel pliers. I'm going to get behind here the best we can and pop it open, or pop it out rather. Now it should be just held in by a push clip. Should look like that. Now our new gas cap is going to go in the exact reverse. Now one reason you would replace your gas cap is if this rubber seal inside here is cracked or missing. So when you put your new gas cap in, just make sure that this rubber seal looks good and it's in the right place, it's not missing. So the first step here, we're just going to screw in our gas cap. I'm going to screw it in until it clicks. Then we're going to take our retainer. I'm going to wind it around until it will easily go into that spot here, and we're just going to push this in. And that's it. If you want to check the operation, go ahead and unscrew your gas cap. Let it hang. Move it around a little bit. When you're done, go ahead and screw your gas cap back in. And again, screw it down until it clicks. Go ahead and close up your cap. And that's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.